having a crab dinner today with my family. So while I'm preparing this meal, I thought why not sharing with you this amazing recipe, crab recipes. So it's really simple. It's really simple recipe. All you need mayonnaise, vegenaise. I'm using vegenaise, salt, pepper, lots of lemon, and lots of garlic, and dill. Basically, that's it. So into a big pot, we're gonna add water and bring it to a boil. Then we're gonna add sea salt, plenty of salt. Crabs love salt. And we're gonna add clean, pre-washed already clean crabs into a pot, about 8 to 10 at a time, and cook about approximately from 8 to 10 minutes. And then remove it to a dry place, to a dry pot. Before I cook them, I wash them really well in the salty water. So you see they all clean and look nice and almost cooked. So now I'm gonna start preparing a sauce. So into a bowl we're gonna add garlic, and I have about 3 cloves of garlic here, all mashed. Next we're gonna add parsley, about 1 cup of parsley or so. I think it's enough. About 3 lemon juice. And the last one. Next we're gonna add about 5 cups of vegenaise. You can substitute with mayonnaise. So we're gonna add about 5 cups, and I'm of course eyeballer. Next we're gonna add freshly ground black pepper, goes there, and now we're gonna mix everything. So here I have a skillet. Since the crabs already pre-cooked, we're gonna roast them in the oven about for 10-15 minutes, no longer than that. So delicious. Look at this. Isn't it yummy? Oh, but. So now we're gonna put a sauce all over crabs. 350 degree, about for 10-15 minutes in the oven she goes. Yummy. And our crabs are ready. Smells so delicious. I cannot wait to try these. And we're gonna have a dinner with my family. So thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you learned something from this video. If you try this recipe and you like my recipes, you can repost them on Instagram, Simple Natalie's. If you love this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends, and enjoy life. Love you, everyone. God bless you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.